Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you about adverb. Let's start. So, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word used to tell more about a verb, and it almost always answers the questions how, when, where, and how often. Let's start with an activity. Now we'll play a sentence grab bag. Let me tell you how to do it. First, you need to pick a noun, a verb, or an adverb. Now, look here. Read your words to your partner or whoever is sitting beside you and work with your partner to plan a sentence. Yes, your sentence can be silly. That's okay. Just remember that you need to use all these words and to make a sentence. Yes. Okay. Mary ran quickly. Raman sings loudly. Yes. These two sentences can make with these words. Here you can see that adverb quickly is describing the verb ran by telling that Mary ran quickly, and the word loudly is telling that how Raman is singing. He sings loudly. So, an adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Okay, by telling the answers how, when, where. We can say that adverb is a word which tell us how actions are done, when actions are done, where actions are done. Yes. Now I tell you about the types of adverb. In this video we'll learn 4 types of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency. Yes. First 3 types are for 3rd class and adverb of frequency will learn in 4th class. Okay. If you are a student of 3rd class, then you will learn only 3 types of adverb. Means how, where and when. Adverb of manner, place and time. And if you are a student of class 4, then you will learn this type also, adverb of frequency. Let's start with adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. What is the meaning of adverb of manner? Adverb of manner provide more information about how a verb is done. How. Adverb of manner are probably the most common of all adverbs. They are easy to spot too, means they are easy to find because most of them will end with ly. For example, neatly, slowly, quickly, sadly, calmly, politely, loudly, kindly, lazily. Okay? So these are adverb of manner which ends with ly and which give the answer of how actions are done. Okay? Like Mary ran quickly. How Mary was running? Quickly. But 3 are more which do not end with ly, but these are adverb of manner because these words give the answer of how the action is done, and these are hard, fast, well. Okay, so adverb of manner is an adverb which gives the answers that how actions are done. Now come to another adverb, adverb of time. Okay, an adverb of time provides more information when a verb takes place. Okay, an adverb of time provides more information about when a verb takes place. When. Adverb of time is usually placed at the beginning or end of a sentence, and when it is of particular importance to express the moment something happened, then we'll put it at the start of the sentence. For example, never, just, lately, always, recently, during, yet, soon, sometimes, usually, so far. Okay, so adverb of time tell us that when action is done. Now come to another adverb, that is adverb of place. Okay, an adverb of place illustrate where the verb or action is happening. Where? Okay, where? It is usually placed after the main verb or object or at the end of a sentence. For example, here, there, nowhere, everywhere, out, in, above, below, inside, outside, into. So adverb of place which give the answer that where the action is going on, where. Okay, for example, here, there, nowhere, everywhere, out, in, above, below, inside, outside, into. Okay, for class 3 we'll do only 3 types of adverb, and there is one more type of adverb in this video, that is adverb of frequency, that is for class 4. Yes, adverb of frequency explain how often the verb occurs, how often. They are often placed directly before the main verb of a sentence. How often? For example, never, rarely, always, sometimes, normally, seldom, again, usually. Okay, these are adverb types of adverbs. Now you need to learn all the magic word which I have told you. For example, magic word of adverb of manner. These are which ends with ly, like neatly, slowly, quickly, sadly, calmly, politely, loudly, kindly, lazily, hard, fast, well. And magic words of adverb of time. These are never, just, lately, always, recently, during, yet, soon, sometime, usually, so far. And magic words of adverb of place are here, there, nowhere, everywhere, out, in, above, below, inside, outside, into. And what are the magic words for adverb of frequency? Yes, these are never, rarely, always, sometimes, normally, seldom, usually, again. So these are magic words. You need to learn all these magic words so that you can identify that which type of adverb it is. Okay, I hope you have understood the topic, and now complete your chapter that is in your grammar book. Okay, bye.